Okie doke, it's the second week of budget from inside a house and the fifth week budget for the truck build. We are very rapidly coming to the end here now, and the spending has really slowed down. So grateful for that. So total spend today is $53,349.45, which includes the purchase of the truck and 6 months rego and a service. So the build spend is $23,099.45. Probably a few bits and pieces to finish off and a few things to return. So I don't see it getting too much higher. I estimate about 25 grand is going to pull us up, all done and dusted, but we are still waiting for the gas fitter, and who knows what his bill will be. Really, I think maybe over $1,000, but that's the big one that I'm just waiting for. But I will open the spreadsheet and give you some individual figures. Okie doke, the breakdown. Power, all done, dusted, finished, $5,011.45. I did manage to return a few bits and pieces we didn't require this week. Lighting is all done, dusted, complete, $200, but I don't think I'm going to use the overbench work lights, which are $29.95. So if I can return or sell those, I will, and that will come off the budget. Exterior, pretty much all done, dusted. The tow bar setup is for another day. We're going to live with the space and see what we come with, as is the deck. Now, you'll see in the videos we have done something with the deck and the tail lift, but probably not the finished product, but it is enough to get us on the road. It's just one of them things we just got to think about a little bit more. But exterior, including steps, external rear doors, external PA door, tailgate and deck, awnings, toolboxes, steel and mounts, comes to a total of $2,427.83, but I think we're done and dusted on that too. Gas is, so far we've spent $4.85.88. I'm allowing $1,200 for the gas fitter certificate. The gas fitters are expensive, so that's the last big expense I have pending. The water system, all done, dusted, finished, $2,851.14, including all the pressure pumps, grey water, clean water, filter systems, hoses, mounts, everything done. Interior fit out, I've spent $2,230.93. Everything is done except the big fly screen blind at the back that I think I'm going to put in. But roof vents, studs, noggins, flooring, overhead shelves, fire extinguishers, smoke alarms, paint, timber stain and brushes, etc. all done and dusted. Just think it's that big blind at the back to go on that category. Appliances haven't changed, $2,241 for my washer, my cooktop and my fridge freezer. Bathroom, ongoing saga because I'm not happy with how the acrylic walls come up, so there will probably be more of a spend on the bathroom. But to date I spent $1,757.30, and the only thing I haven't done is a towel rack. But like I said, I'm not happy with how the acrylic walls come up, so I'll probably be making some changes or modifications. There'll be more there. Hopefully not too much more, but there will be something. Cabinetry, I've spent a total of $2,429.40, and that's for the caboodle base units, bench tops, drawers and door panels, hinges, drawer runners, handles, kickboards and kickboard storage system. I do have to get new caravan type door locks because I don't like the ones I ordered online. They're like plasticky and crap and bulky. I don't like them. I'm not going to use them, I don't think. And I have to get some kind of little hinge and locks, knob and lock system for the kickboard storage. So there might be $100 of things to buy to finish off the cabinetry. The kitchen, I've spent $347.24 so far, but I still have to get a rubbish bin, the cutlery drawer inserts. I still have to put more storage racks and things in. So I've spent $347.24, and I think there's about $250 to spend on that. Baskets and cubes for storage in the overheads and things, I'm going to say $250. Haven't spent a razoo on that yet. The master bedroom space, done and dusted, $823.86, including new bedding. The daybed couch area, as of this afternoon, done and dusted. $520.65, including the cushions and the cushion material. Styling, I did spend $53.50 on a bath mat and some cushions this week. Big spender. I still think maybe $150. Just floor mats and bits and pieces to go. The entertainment, the TV, $200.95, including the mount. That's all done and dusted. Random other things, $1,101.95, includes spare tyre, cab speakers, 2 spare keys, Weybridge for the start weight, Apple CarPlay, Starlink Mini and mount, safety tools, UHF antenna, freight and delivery, all included in that category. And I think tomorrow, weather pending and Weybridge being open, we're going to go and get a weigh on it for our finished build weigh. I reckon we've put 2.5 tons in it, but have a guess. Stop the video, have a guess at what you think the weight's going to be. There's the pack of spotted gum was a ton. We haven't used it all, but we have used a fair bit of it. But I reckon we've gotten 2.5 tons. We were 5.44 to start with. So what does that make it? 8 tons maybe. Our GVM is 10.6. We don't really carry a lot of weight as in possessions, but it'll be interesting to see what the build weight comes in at. But that is the budget for the day. I think we've got about $2,200 left to spend to finish it off, including that gas certificate, but that is really an open check. I just want it done at this point. We'll pay. Come fit my gas, we'll pay, don't care. But that's the budget. Hopefully the second last one, because I'll do a final update once we're finished, but I think we're just about there.